Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today our job is to find x and y. The instruction couldn't be simpler. The task is probably a little more difficult. We have two equations here, ax plus y equals c, x plus by equals d, and I've taken the liberty of numbering them just so I can keep a track of what's going on. I think that if we're going to find x and we're going to find y, we're going to have to treat this as a pair of simultaneous equations and go to work on it on that basis. Right. That said, we can find an expression for y. C minus ax will equal y, and an expression for x, d minus by will equal x, but I'm not sure that that's helpful because we're still going to be. I don't think substitution is going to be the answer. Let's put it that way. We won't get into further explanations of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate, and I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to multiply it by negative b, and we'll just put the result down here. Negative abx minus by equals negative bc. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to use this to add to this. Right, so let's get to work. X plus by, and you can see where I'm heading with this. I want to get rid of this, equals d. Now, the addition might seem the addition that I'm going to do might seem a little odd, but it is entirely in obedience to the rules of algebra. So I'm going to add this to this, and this is what I get. X minus abx, these disappear, is equal to d minus bc. Right, this looks very promising. I think we're well on the way to finding x. So let's rewrite this. X into 1 minus ab, that's going to give us this, if we multiply that out, is equal to d minus bc. Now we can isolate x really easily. So x is equal to d minus bc all over 1 minus ab. So that's x taken care of. Now we've got to find y. We're still in the business of looking for y. Now earlier on I dismissed the idea of substitution. However, I did say that y was equal to c minus ax. Y equals c minus ax. And that may well be where we head with this. So let's set this up. Y is equal to a times x, which is d minus bc, all over 1 minus ab. Just get that in the mix. And this is negative, and this is positive. We could write it another way, but I just want to set it up like that if I can. Okay, so where do we go from there? Well, it's fraction time. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves the same denominator. So this c is actually c over 1. So when we create a common denominator, it's just this times this. So our denominator here is 1 minus ab. And setting up the numerator is a tiny bit of work, but we'll get that done. Negative AD plus ABC, that times that, plus C minus CAB. So basically what I've done is I've cross-multiplied here. Taken away the bracket and cross-multiplied. Now, we can get rid of a couple of things. We can get rid of that and rid of that. And so what we wind up with is positive C minus AD all over 1 minus AB. So just let me get that written out clearly. And that is y. This is just truly a test of algebra more than anything. But if we go back to the beginning of this, how you get into this is you recognize what it is you're dealing with, the simultaneous equation, and you recognize that you have the potential to eliminate one or other factor. I could actually have multiplied through by this. I could have multiplied this through by negative a, and I might well have got the result. In fact, I'm pretty sure I would have got the result, but by a different means. Anyway, that is how this is done. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like the video. There's fresh content coming out all the time, so there'll be plenty more of this sort of thing. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. We'll just put those in focus for you. Bye.